This Marx-Bensdorf Realtors property video is presented by David Tester. The sellers have loved this home for 20 years. Oozing with charm, their care and maintenance shows. Roof, exterior paint, and 3 of 5 total HVAC units were new in 2018. Primary suite plus 2 more bed/bath suites on the main floor. 4th bed/bath suite is upstairs. Lots of natural light. Tons of storage. Large rooms. Great flow between all public rooms and kitchen/casual dining. Bonus room is gym/spa and luxurious primary suite. Approx 1.5 level acres. Perfect for those who enjoy outdoor activities. For more information, review the details below or contact David Tester at 901-682-1868.